Good evening to everyone. I hope you all are good. Today I am coming with another new chapter of computer subject is uses of a computer. So let's go to discuss with some pictures. Here computer is an electronic machine which perform different tasks. Nowadays, computers are being used almost everywhere because of their high speed, number 2 accuracy in result and also output, number 3 huge storage capacity, and number 4 capability of continuous working. I think you already know that computer is an electronic machine which runs on electricity. So, and also computer has so many features like high speed, accuracy in result, huge storage capacity and capability of continuous working. Second, use of computers for different work. First point is we can calculate the sums very quickly on a computer. It takes only few seconds. So students, through computer we can solve any mathematical problems. Second point is we can listen to music on a computer. Next one is we can watch movies on a computer. We can play games on a computer. We can store names, addresses and telephone numbers in the address book of a computer. We can make colorful pictures using Microsoft Paint. We can type and store letters and paragraphs respectively. So, through computer we can listen music, we can watch movies, we can play games, we can store names, addresses, telephone numbers, and also we can make colorful pictures and type and store letters and paragraph also. Now, third topic is use of computer at different places. First place is at home. So, doing homework and playing games, enjoying music and movies, storing important information, learning and studying, looking for information. Students, while we are staying at home, that time through computer we can doing some homework, playing games with joystick and enjoying any kind of music and movies also, and we can store important information, we can learning and studying, and we can get any kind of information. Now, second place is in schools. So, in schools, through computer we can keep record of books in library. We can teaching different subject, making result and report cards, and making also timetables. Third place is in hospital. So in hospital, using through computer we can performing tests and operations, and we can easily know about any diagnosis disease, and we can taking x-rays and preparing medical reports. Fourth place is in office. So in office, using through computer we can drafting letters and reports. Also we can storing important information, and we can sending receiving emails and making bills and other documents. Now another place is in banks. In banks, using through computer we can storing record of customer accounts, and we can paying and receiving cash and checks. We can updating the accounts and the transaction, and we can withdrawing money from ATM. Students, please note down this point. ATM stand for automated teller machine. Please remember. Another place is at airports and at railway station. So, through computer we can maintaining record of passengers. We can provide information about the arrival and departure timings of aeroplanes and train. We can booking air tickets and train tickets reservation. Students, one another place is in publishing house. Now question is arise that what do you mean by publishing house? So you say that those place is known for designing and printing of magazines, greetings card, newspaper, invitation card, and books also are called publishing house. Through computer we can designing and printing of magazine, greetings card, newspaper, invitation card and books. And we can searching facts for teachers and learners. One another place is in police departments. In police departments, through computer, we can maintaining record of complaints and cases, photos and fingerprints of criminals and other important documents, and having communication with other departments easily. Now, students, our discussion is finished. Through in PDF file, I will give all the question and answers, and you write in your specific copies. Till then, thank you students. Have a great day ahead.